In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Adobe Acrobat Reader on Windows laptop or PC. So just open any browser and in the browser search for Adobe Acrobat Reader download, and here you can see getadobe.com. So you need to click here and it will take you to this page, and here you can see download Acrobat Reader. So we need to click on this button and it will download the exe file. Here you can see, so we just need to double click on this exe file. Then here you can see Adobe Acrobat Reader, it is downloading and it will automatically install. So this will take some time. Right now I'll just fast forward the video. So here you can see installation is complete. So right now I'm going to click on finish, and there you can see Adobe Acrobat is selected over here. So we can set it default if you want, but I'm just going to keep it the way it is. And let me just minimize this. So here you can see Adobe Acrobat open over here and it will show you a bunch of pop-up. So here you can see we have the Adobe Acrobat icon over here. If you just click on it, it will open the Adobe Acrobat, and you can open any kind of PDF file and change anything using Adobe Acrobat. So here at the top you can see sign in option. You can also sign in over here in Adobe Acrobat using Google, Facebook, Apple. So yeah, that's all. So I hope you are able to now successfully install Adobe Acrobat on Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.